Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. I did a lot of stuff with ChatGPT in the last part. So last video it was with how to work with Google Sheet, yeah? And the idea was that I want to show you a use case. And I will show you now the use case. So basically you have Google Sheet. We will have a UiPath robot that will fill the Google Sheet with data. We'll have UiPath robots that read the data from Google Sheet and update the data. And you'll have also people that is able to view and edit the Google Sheet. So basically, based on the Google Sheet, we'll do a data like a database that you can share between robots and humans and so on. So it will be very, very nice way to share data. So let's understand the use case. What you see on the first on the picture, we need to put data inside. So for all the configuration is here on this video. So all the configuration is in this video. So first I want to put a data inside. So this is my my document. This is my document, and in this document, you know that you have to extract the ID of the document from here. And on this document, I will add another line. Yeah. So to be able to add this line, I will do this procedure. I will use the Gsuite scope. You have to install the Gsuite. You have to install the Google Workspace, and you will have all the stuff from Google. We'll put the Gsuite scope. You saw on the last video. I will do authentication using the service account. You have all the details there. And then what I will do, I will read the range. So I will read the range of the a range of the table from here. So I'll read everything, and then I will append the row. So I will append the row on this sheet. And here, when I say the reference, I have to provide him this reference. So number 5. So basically, is the basically, let's see the formula here. The formula here, it's data row count to string. Yeah. So basically, I have. Let me show you here. So if I have 3, 4 persons, basically I will have the number of person plus 1. Yeah, data, and this will allow me to write the data here. Yeah, so we take the database and we'll take the count to string. So let's append this one, and on this one with append, we'll have an array. We'll have an array which will have Vasile as a name. We'll have data name now to this format. Then we'll have, I think we'll use this format. 0 number of tribes, robot entry, and Vasile Gmail. Okay. So the robot was starting, and the robot was able to add this element to my table. Okay, good. So in this way, we add data to the table. Let's, if we go back to the picture, so we solve this problem for the people to interact. We'll see later that it's very easy to interact with Google Sheet. Let's see a robot that will be able to read and update the data. So to be able to have a robot to read and update the data, we'll have this one. So what we'll do, I will, it's more complex because I will tell you the rules, because I built some rules here, and you need to see exactly how I'll do these rules. So I will read again the sheet with all the data. So basically the robot will read this stuff. Done. Then the logic will be like this. We will contact person that has 0 number of tries, and person that the last try date, last try to contact, it's older that 6 months from today. Yeah, so that will be probably November 2022. Yeah, so it's older that this November and 22. Good. So I have here the for each in data table. This for each in data table, I will have two connections. So first, I will compare data with data now minus 6 months and 22. Let me show you the here. It's you see. So basically, we parse the data from row 1 because this is row 0. This is column 0, column 1, column 2, and so on. So we go on the rows and we take column 1. We convert this to date, month, year. We have the globalization, and this globalization should be under 6 months until now. Or if we have the number of try equal to 0, okay? Then what I will do, if I'm in this case, so if I find in this case, I have to be able to update this table. When you update a table, you are not able to update directly. So I will collect all the information that I want for the update, and then I will do an update of data table. So I will collect all the information, and then I will write just the cells to update. Yeah. So I will make here I made here a logic. I create a list. I have a list with update column and a list with contacts. So the lists are like this. First, it's the position of the item. So I will update column B, and I have to update the row. Yeah. So when I have a data table, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. To be able to update this one, it's B2. So I will have the index of the row plus 2. So I have the index of the row plus 2. Then I have the data time now. It's what we update because we'll update today. Then we have to update this one, the number of tries. So we'll have C2, the index of the row C2. And we'll have C int row. So we'll have the this column plus 1. Yeah. So we need to read this one. So we'll convert the value of row 2 plus 1, and then I will have to string. Then I will use the I will take the data. So for the person that I have to contact, I will extract the name and I will select the email. And this name and email, I will send it to I will send it to a Gmail account. Yeah. So so the robot will analyze the data, will update the data, and will inform people that he has to he has to contact the list of person. Yeah. So basically, I will create another list with the name and the email, and then I will do a do while on that list, and I will read. So on the first list, I will write each cell. So I have the first list that it's with cells that I have to modify, and I have the second list with the person that I need to contact. So on the first list that with the cells that I have to modify, I have to write the cell, and the first element is the cell, and the second element will be the value. And then on the list, I will go with an index 2 to be able to jump from one to another. And then on, I will do people string, and this people string will compose my string that is on the string that I will put it on the email. And on this string, basically, I will put the name of the person, and I will put the email, and then I will put a new line. Okay, so I will compose the name from the email. To be able to send the email, I will use my Outlook account, and with my Outlook account, I will send the mail to my Gmail, yeah, to be able to see it. And then here on the mail, say people that you need to contact, and here I put something like, hello, I'm the UiPath Robot, and you need to contact this person. And we have a new line, and we have the people string. So let's see. Let's open also my email. And the robot will, you see that is starting to modify the elements, and we see what we have on the email. So on the email, we receive an email from Cristian Negulescu that we need to contact John, we need to contact Steve, and we need to contact Vasile. Okay, and you see that here all the data is updated to this date. Okay, so let's modify, because we talk also about in the picture the robot fill the data, the robot extract the data and update how we do so, and the people is able to view and edit manually this stuff. So let's say that I don't have time to contact Vasile, and this guy again, Steve, I'm not able to contact him, and I will modify this back the date, and we'll say here, let's put 2020. Okay, so if I will run the robot, so this is the email that I have now. If I run the robot now, the robot will give me Steve and Vasile, yeah? So this is for showing. So if I run the robot now, the system will give me Steve and Vasile in the email, yeah? So this is the way to show that also people are able to edit Excels and not Excel, Google Sheet, and then the robot will be able to extract data from that stuff. Good. So I have to contact Steve and Vasile. So that was the use case. Use Google Sheet as a database, yeah? Database that also people are able to interact. So you have robots that fill the data, you have robots that are able to read and update the data, and you have people that are able to view and update the data. As usual, if you like my movies, please subscribe to my channel, comment on my movies, and tell me what else you want to see inside of my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.